Here we are, waiting for that forecast update. We've been listening to how the storms are going to be rolling in, really not that far off.
Yeah, no, we are adding on to those rainfall totals we saw earlier today. It was pretty light today. We got just under a quarter of an inch in Indianapolis, but we're going to be adding much more to that as we head into the afternoon for Tuesday. An inch and a quarter to an inch and a half of rainfall on top of what we've already gotten so far. Dry for right now downtown Indianapolis, where temperatures are still very mild, 54 degrees currently. We hit 64 for the afternoon high temperature earlier today in Indianapolis. Feels like 54, so we don't have a wind chill, but it is very breezy. Winds are out of the west-northwest at 22 miles an hour, but not making it feel any colder. Just wait till that sun's been set for just a little bit longer, and it will start to feel cooler with the wind gusts 20 to 25 miles an hour tonight. Dry for now on our Live Guardian radar, and again, so far today, not much rainfall here. We didn't get a whole lot, just under a quarter of an inch in Indianapolis, but the system on its way tomorrow is going to significantly add to those totals as we head into the afternoon. Satellite and radar past couple of hours shows that we've been dry for a while, and it might not look like much is on its way out west, but that'll soon change here as we head into Tuesday morning. High temperatures today, lots of mid-60s out there. We even gotten to slightly the upper 60s. Bloomington at 67 for the high. Thinking about it this way, we should only get to 38 degrees this time of year. That would be a normal high temperature, but we have seen so many days, a third of the days of this December, one whole third of the month, we've already reached temperatures in the 60s. So what that looks like here as we take a look at the calendar overall, everything you see lit up in green, that's a day where we reached a high temperature of 60 or above. The warmest one here was on December 12th. We got to 66 degrees for the high temperature. So this makes 10 days of this month at 60 and up, and that ties the record set back in 1889. We could have broken the record. We had one day that was a high temperature of 59 degrees, so we almost broke the record, but as far as weather record keeping goes, this would be a new record because we just tie that with the year and replace it with 2021. So that 1889 goes away and replace it in the records with 2021. Tomorrow things will look different, so temperatures do calm down a little bit. We go much more mild as we head into the morning and afternoon hours. Right now still sitting warm in the mid-50s in Indianapolis, 54 degrees and no wind chill at the moment, but this breeze is strong enough. It'll certainly be feeling cooler here in just a little bit. Winds over 20 miles an hour, and it's going to be gusting even higher at times. So this next system that we're watching, this is coming up for Tuesday morning. We will start off this evening dry with cloudy skies, waking up tomorrow with dry weather by 7 a.m. However, heading into the late morning, early afternoon, this spreads out and fills out pretty quickly. So about an inch and a quarter to an inch and a half of rainfall here, scattered thunderstorms possible, and cold enough to the north that we could be getting some snow showers. I don't think much of this will really accumulate as far as snow goes because it'll be too wet and too warm. However, a little bit of mixing, certainly a possibility to see some mixing happening, maybe even a single little flurry flying by in Indianapolis, but it's just going to be mostly a rain event for us. Temperatures stay mild for the 7-day forecast. We don't see any cool air, at least seasonal air, until we get into the end of the weekend when we go back to highs in the 30s.